Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can change the language on your iPhone 12 or the iPhone 12 Pro. So first let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on your home screen you want to tap on the settings icon. In the settings page we want to go down and tap on general, then go down and tap on language and region. In here, tap on the iPhone language at the top. Now from the language list, you want to scroll down and select a language that you want to use. Alternatively, you can also type in the search text box to put in the language that you want to use. For example, this one right here. So again, you can go down the list and select a language that you want to use. You can type in the search text box. And then from the pop-up, choose change to that selected language, and you give your phone a few moments for it to switch the system language to your preferred language. And that's it. So now you can see on my phone everything has been switched. Certain things stays the same, such as camera. You can see camera still stay as camera, news still stay as news. Although I know news can be have a language. In my language there is a different word. I don't know why they decide not to change that. FaceTime still stay as FaceTime, and TV still stay as TV, or App Store still stays as App Store. So some of them will be changed, some words will not be changed, and that's it. So that's how you can change your phone language on the iPhone 12 or the iPhone 12 Pro or the iPhone Max, iPhone 12 Max. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.